I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Energy Saver mode in Google Chrome. Note that Energy Saver mode will only appear in your settings if you are using a device that runs on a battery, such as a laptop or a Chromebook. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Step 2. Click the three dots menu icon in the top right corner of the window. A drop-down menu will open. Step 3. Click Settings in this menu. Your Chrome settings page will load. Step 4. Click Performance in the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Step 5. Look for the Power section on the right side of the page and then tap or click the toggle switch next to Energy Saver to turn it on. Step 6. Choose your preferred automation option directly beneath the toggle. You can select to turn Energy Saver on only when your battery is at 20% or lower, or you can choose to turn it on whenever your computer is unplugged to maximize your battery life. Once enabled, you will see a small leaf or lightning icon appear near your browser's address bar whenever the mode kicks into effect, letting you know that Chrome is actively saving power. Alternatively, if you find that Energy Saver mode is making a specific web page or web-based game feel too laggy or choppy, you can temporarily bypass it for your current browsing session. Simply click the Energy Saver icon near the address bar at the top of Chrome and then click Turn Off Now. This will temporarily restore full performance until you close the tab or restart your browser. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.